What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 10 update KB5061087 not installing. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to basically install this update and it's not installing, the easiest way to fix this is you want to essentially go to your search bar and type in troubleshoot. So right here, we're going to type in troubleshoot until you see these troubleshoot settings options pop up. In here, click into the additional troubleshooter, and in here, click into Windows Update and run this troubleshooter. So this is literally a troubleshooter for Windows Update, which helps resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, which is basically what you might be facing right now. Now, once you've done this, you should be good to go. But if this doesn't fix it, the next thing to do is go back into your search bar and type in services. Once this pops up, in here type in Windows or W and find Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service. Double click into both of them. First, change the startup type to whatever it is into automatic, and if the service is running, stop it and start it again. And if it is not running, start the service. Do this for both of them. Press apply, press OK, restart your computer, try to do the update now. You should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up, guys, channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.